So last year, I thought it would be a really cool idea to do financial bingo. This is something that I've seen done for years, but I never really indulged into it. However, I saw another creator do it and it got my wheels turning, and I said, you know what? I think I'm going to do it too. So I completed this around September of 2025, which is when I turned 43. I plan out my years by my birthday most times and not really a calendar year. So we are a few months from then and I think it is time to do a check-in. So if that is something that you want to see, then go ahead and stay tuned. If you are here for the very first time, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And I really encourage that you subscribe to the channel. Look, I'm starting over, I'm starting fresh, and I will tell you that you want to be on this ride. So make sure that you subscribe, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is, I believe, my first time actually checking in. So I'm just gonna use a highlighter to go through each one of these squares. I did think about redoing the actual bingo card because I know that I do have some other goals that I would like to implement for my life, being that, you know, a lot of things have changed. But for now, I'm just going to continue with what I have here, and I'm actually going to use the pink highlighter. Hopefully it works. So I'm gonna scroll in so that we can go through the board together. One of the things I can tell you that I love when it comes to finances is I love implementing challenges, like a $5 challenge, a $1 challenge, any type of challenge that will motivate me to meet a financial goal. In the past, I have been able to save thousands of dollars by doing these challenges, and I make them creative. Sometimes there are challenges that I might find from someone else, or there is a challenge that I pretty much will create on my own. Nevertheless, challenges work like gyms when you're trying to hit financial goals, because money is boring for some of us, and in order for us to be disciplined and really meet a goal, we need a challenge to help us do it. So I'm encouraging you now, if you find that you struggle with saving money, paying off debt, or doing whatever, attach a challenge to it. And I really believe that that will give you some motivation to see that said thing out, okay? All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing here, find a job. Yes, this is something that I can highlight in. I am so excited. God is so good. I was able to find a job October of last year, and it was exactly, when I say exactly, I mean exactly 1 year to the date that I had got laid off from my previous job. This is how I know God was all up in that, you know? So I did find a job. So I am excited. I'm working my new job, and yeah, things couldn't be better. So, all right. So the next square, 100,000 subscribers. So I have not hit that as of yet. My goal is to hit it in 2026. We are sitting at 77,000 something, a little bit less than 100 subscribers right now, or besties to the channel. So we will continue to grow. Start my master's program. I did graduate last year with my bachelor's degree. I'm so excited about that. Let me tell you guys, I did not think that I would ever, okay, when I say ever, I had counted that out. I had counted education out. I was like, oh, I'll never get a degree. But I earned my bachelor's degree, and I'm not stopping there. I am going to pursue my master's degree, and I should be starting sometime this year. I'm working with the school, so I cannot highlight this yet. Create a stream of income. I cannot highlight this yet either. It is something that I am working on. So that's coming soon. Save $500. I have not started that yet, so haven't been able to highlight that. So make BT products. This is really probably this, maybe the same thing, maybe. Well, no, not really. So I haven't created any Budget Treasures products as of yet. I'm in the process of that, so stay tuned. Invest in my first stock. I have not done that yet. Please stay tuned because I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process of how I start to invest. And I have a 401k. I don't know. I don't think that I mean, it's an investment, but that's not the type of investment I'm talking about. I'm talking about investing in something, but not 401k. That doesn't count for what I'm talking about here. All right, paid sponsorship. I would love a paid sponsorship and to start getting them regularly. So this is on my bingo card. Haven't done that yet. Vlogtober. Yes, I did. I'm going to highlight this in yellow. I did complete Vlogtober. And I think I was supposed to do a video on how that all panned out. I don't think I did that video, but I did complete Vlogtober. All right, pay off a debt. Essentially, I did pay off a debt, and we'll talk more about that. So I am going to mark this off. The debt video is coming soon. And this is pay off another debt, 100K in credit. So you guys may know or you may not know, I have been working on my credit, and I currently have over $50,000 in credit, which is a great thing. But I'm not quite there yet. So I'm going to leave that unhighlighted, if that's a word. Create a stream of income. So my goal is to create multiple streams of income. Okay. So that's why you see that here a couple times. Graduate with my BA. Yeah, I did that, you guys, last summer. Well, not summer. Well, it was in September when I graduated, and then like fully in November. So I am so excited to finally have my bachelor's degree. Let me tell you guys, this was a long time coming. This was an emotional degree for me, because it was just something that I never thought I could do, you know? And one thing that I've learned in this life, that you can seriously do whatever you want to do. The only barrier is yourself. And that is what I learned when it came to me graduating with my bachelor's degree. The only barrier that I had all of these years, the only blocker that I had was my own self and my thoughts of how I thought about myself. I didn't think that I was worthy enough. I didn't think that I was good enough or smart enough to have a bachelor's degree, you know? And now I'm like, please, just give me the information. I will learn it. If I don't know it, I will study and I will make it happen. So that's why I'm going to pursue my master's, and I may even pursue my doctorate after that. So education is important. Another reason why I'm so happy that I challenged myself to do this is because when you apply this to finances, this sometimes is a way for you to increase your earning potential. There are some positions that I learned over the past year that you're unable to obtain because you don't have a degree. And so a lot of times without the experience and the degree, your earning potential will not pass a certain threshold because you don't have that piece of paper. Now, I am not saying that you have to have a degree to make a lot of money, you know, because we all know that that is not true. That is not true at all. You can, if you have connections, if you are working with the company, you've been working there for a long time, and you have that type of, and we know back in the day, you really didn't need a degree as long as you had the experience. But now with the new administration, the way things are now, and when you're applying for a job, almost every job that I apply for, the expectation was that you had either tons of experience coupled with a degree, or you had to have even more experience in lieu of the degree. So that's just all the things that I've seen out there as it relates to like management positions, because those are the positions I was looking for. So that was my experience. So I won't talk your head off more about that. Launch product CNC. I don't even know what this means. What does this even mean? Oh, I know what it means. Okay, I was about to say, what? I don't even know what that means. I know what this is, and I haven't done it yet, but it's coming. Save $1,000. Well, gotta save the $500 first. Streamline systems. Streamline my systems. I'm not really gonna highlight that yet, but I can highlight it. Actually, I can highlight it because my systems are streamlined. And what color can I use here? I'm gonna use yellow. And when I talk about my systems, I'm talking about my financial systems, like what apps I use, if any. When I pay my bills, like those are like my routines. A system that I have in place for my finances to make sure that all of my financial obligations or goals are being met. Okay, pay off a debt, make $5,000 from my products. Vlogmas, oh, I missed out on this. I can't do this one. I did not do Vlogmas, so this, I will not be able to get bingo going this way. I will not be able to get bingo going this way, and I will not be able to get bingo going that way because I did not do Vlogmas. That sucks. I didn't even know I put Vlogmas on here. Okay, pay off a debt. Try affiliate marketing, start newsletter, no spend month. Okay, so I might have to make a little bit of an adjustment because I am not going to do a no spend month. I'm going to do a low spend month. So, or maybe I could just cross that out and put low. I don't know. But anyway, this is my bingo card. I haven't been able to highlight much, but we are in a new year, things are new, and I know that I'm going to be able to highlight a lot more off of this list. And there may be things added because I do have more goals for myself and for my life. But this is my financial bingo. And the scripture here is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And we definitely talked about as it relates to my degree. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I hope that this did encourage you to create some type of challenge to motivate you to meet any financial goals that you have for 2026. But thank you all for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. and everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright.